Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to stake Aptos. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser, and in the search bar, you will have to type martianwallet.xyz. This will land you on the official website of Martian Wallet, where the first thing that you need to do is to simply download the extension of Martian Wallet in your browser. For that, you will have to click on the option of Add to Browser, and then you will be redirected in your browsers section. Over here, you need to click on the option of Add to Chrome, and you simply need to add Martian Aptos Wallet in your Chrome browser. Then you simply need to click on the wallet icon, and then you just have to create your wallet if you haven't already. Now, once you have successfully created your account, you need to make sure that you have some Aptos in your account. Now, if you don't have any Aptos in your account, then you can click on this buy button, and after selecting MoonPay or Coinbase wallet, you can purchase Aptos in your Aptos wallet. After that, in order to stake it, you are going to see a stake button over here. So if you click on that stake button, you need to enter the amount of Aptos coin that you want to stake. After that, you simply need to press the confirm button in order to confirm your staking, and this way you will be able to easily stake Aptos. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.